Have you ever wondered what makes a Rolex so special and why millions of people believe no other watch even comes close? Before that piece lands on a wrist, there exists an almost hidden process, a world of extreme precision, metals created from scratch, and artisans who dedicate years to perfecting every detail. Let's dive into the heart of one of the most enigmatic factories on the planet to discover how a watch is built that not only tells the time, but creates a legacy. The story dates back to the early years of the 20th century, when a young man named Hans Wilsdorf decided to challenge the established norm. In a time when pocket watches dominated, he envisioned a future where wristwatches would be precise, elegant, and durable. An idea that at the time seemed far too visionary. Wilsdorf needed a name for his brand, one that was short, easy to pronounce, and recognizable in any language around the world. That's how Rolex was born. Soon after, the company moved to Switzerland, where watchmaking was already considered a national heritage. From there, Rolex would leverage Swiss reputation to propel its project. The major turning point came with the launch of the Oyster model, the first truly waterproof watch. Although it may seem like a small detail today, at the time it was a total revolution. The watch gained notoriety when a swimmer crossed the English Channel with an oyster attached to her wrist. After more than 10 hours fully submerged, the watch was still working perfectly. The whole world started looking at Rolex with new eyes. That event strengthened the association between the brand and extraordinary achievements. Over the decades, Rolex became linked to epic explorations, technological advancements, and historical records. For example, they developed one of the first automatic movement systems, which allowed the watch to gain energy from the simple movement of the wrist. Iconic models like the Submariner, specially designed for divers, or the GMT Master, created for pilots and frequent travelers, solidified its reputation. Today, Rolex remains an independent company. A significant portion of its profits is invested in philanthropic causes through the Hans Wilsdorf Foundation. Each watch can take years to manufacture, not due to logistical complications, but because of the brand's obsession with precision, durability, and perfect finishing. Each piece is treated as a work of art that must endure not only for decades, but for entire generations. To understand how a Rolex is built from scratch, one must first imagine the creative journey that begins with simple ideas. Hand-drawn sketches where designers attempt to achieve a flawless balance between functionality, aesthetics, and ergonomics. A prime example is the Submariner, introduced in 1953 as the first diving watch capable of withstanding 100 meters underwater. It also introduced the iconic rotating bezel that allowed divers to accurately measure immersion time. When a concept is approved, it moves to a more technical phase, where specialized engineers develop extremely precise digital blueprints, ensuring that each piece, even the most microscopic, fits flawlessly. At this stage, we're talking about tolerances measured in thousandths of a millimeter. Next, prototypes are printed using advanced 3D technology, allowing for adjustments to minimal elements like the shape of the hands, the texture of the dial, or the exact proportion of the case. This validation process can take months, as Rolex does not move to the next stage until everything, from the overall weight to legibility in various environments, meets the brand's irreproachable standards. The formal manufacturing takes place in highly controlled facilities in Switzerland, where Rolex produces much of the exclusive materials it uses. One of these is Oystersteel, a type of steel exceptionally resistant to corrosion and wear, similar to that used in the aerospace industry or in chemical environments. They also create their own Everose Gold, an alloy carefully designed to maintain its shine and color even after years of continuous use. The metals are melted in furnaces that reach extreme temperatures, and each batch is examined with X-ray machines to ensure that the composition is absolutely perfect. Rolex is not limited to manufacturing only its metals. It also produces synthetic rubies, used to reduce friction in the mechanism, lubricants specially formulated by its chemists, and even the tools used by its own watchmakers. This autonomy is so rare that very few brands in the watchmaking world have such a level of control over the entire process of creating a watch. Each component, even something as simple as a tiny screw, undergoes a meticulous manufacturing process. Cutting and milling machines work with impressive precision, shaping the parts through dozens of stages. A tiny wheel can go through more than 20 different phases before being ready to be integrated. Then, they are polished with diamond paste until achieving brilliant and perfectly smooth finishes. For other pieces, extremely soft brushes and natural materials are used to achieve flawless surfaces. All components are inspected under high magnification microscopes to ensure that nothing, not even a microscopic scratch, escapes quality control. Rolex wants even the internal pieces, the ones that the buyer will never see, to have a finish worthy of being displayed in a museum. The movement, also known as the mechanism, is the heart of the watch. This structure is a combination of modern engineering and centuries-old tradition. A key innovation came in 1931 when Rolex developed the perpetual movement, a system that uses the natural motion of the wrist to power the watch, eliminating the need for manual winding. In advanced models like the Sky Dweller, there is a clever mechanism that automatically recognizes how many days are in each month, without requiring complicated additional structures. Some more exclusive models include a tourbillon, a rotating component designed to reduce errors caused by gravity, a testament to Rolex's dedication to achieving extreme precision. A single movement can contain over 300 perfectly assembled pieces, and the assembly requires weeks of work under strict conditions. Watchmakers wear gloves to prevent the natural oils from their fingers from affecting the parts, and they work in environments where the air is filtered to prevent a speck of dust from interfering with the mechanism's operation. Many watchmakers observe their work on high-resolution monitors that magnify each piece, helping them detect details that would be impossible to see with the naked eye. Even the ticking sound is carefully adjusted to ensure smooth and uniform operation. The synthetic rubies used as pivot points are cut with lasers to achieve exact measurements. The energy that powers the watch is stored in a spring, housed within a container lubricated with oils exclusively developed by Rolex to ensure smooth and stable operation for many years. Each gear, lever and wheel must be placed with absolute precision so that the mechanism functions without undue friction or loss of energy. The dial, the face of the watch, is perhaps one of the most fascinating parts. Rolex uses surprising materials, such as mother of pearl, which displays unique patterns in each watch, or fragments of authentic meteorite found in some Daytona models, transforming each piece into a small homage to the cosmos. The hour markers, often made of gold, are fixed using techniques that ensure their permanence, even if the watch is passed down through generations. The hands and indices are coated with a proprietary luminescent pigment from Rolex that glows in a deep blue hue for many hours in the dark, offering exceptional visibility. To manufacture these dials, workshops are used where the air is purified and constantly renewed to prevent dust from falling. Each dial may undergo more than 50 quality checks, where the finish, color, shine, and correct alignment of all elements are evaluated. The case of a Rolex acts as a protective shield for the mechanism. It can be made of Oystersteel, gold, titanium, platinum, or combinations of these materials. In models like the Deep Sea, the case can withstand depths of up to 4,000 meters, thanks to an internal system called ring lock that evenly distributes the pressure. The crystal is made of synthetic sapphire and is cut with a laser before being polished to perfection. This crystal is so resistant that it can only be scratched by a diamond. The crown of the watch incorporates a triple sealing system called triplock, designed to ensure water resistance even under extreme conditions. Before the final assembly, each case undergoes ultrasonic baths that remove any trace of particles. When the time comes to attach the movement to the case, the watchmakers work with extreme care to ensure that the rotor, the piece that spins with the movement of the arm, moves without friction. In models like the GMT Master 2, the bezel is made with cerachrome, a ceramic highly resistant to scratches and the passage of time. The numbers on the bezel are engraved with a laser and then filled with platinum to achieve perfect contrast and impressive durability. Once the watch is assembled, the testing phase begins, where Rolex stands out in particular. Each piece undergoes simulations that mimic real and even extreme conditions. Constant movements for hours, repeated impacts, intense vibrations, temperatures ranging from very cold to very high, exposure to magnetic fields, immersion in pressurized tanks that replicate thousands of meters underwater, and high-precision chronometric tests. A modern Rolex typically deviates by only 1 or 2 seconds per day, while many other mechanical watches can vary much more. Some mechanisms are even tested for years before hitting the market, ensuring the watch can last over a century with proper maintenance. The process also includes highly specialized craftsmanship. For example, the iconic Oyster bracelet requires more than 10 steps of polishing and adjustment before it is perfected. Extremely exclusive models, like the Daytona Rainbow, can feature gemstones carefully selected and set one by one, a process that can take months due to the strict requirements of color, size, and brightness. Although Rolex produces about 1 million watches per year, each watch retains a sense of uniqueness thanks to the level of hand finishing it receives. Some models, especially the more complex ones like the Sky Dweller, require between 2 and 3 years of development and assembly from their initial design phase. Recently, Rolex has incorporated new technologies, such as components made of silicon that resist magnetic fields, something very useful in a world full of electronic devices that could interfere with the precision of a traditional mechanical watch. They also develop lubricants capable of maintaining optimal performance for over a decade without the need for maintenance. Their laboratories continuously research how materials react to solar exposure, salt water, or dust, ensuring that each watch is capable of accompanying its owner for entire generations. Rolex factories operate with high standards of energy efficiency and sustainability, reusing materials and reducing waste. All of this not only reflects their environmental commitment, but also their intention for the watchmaking process to represent a deep respect for the future. Finally, a Rolex is much more than a timekeeping tool. It is an object that encapsulates stories, adventures, and achievements. It has been on the wrist of explorers who conquered mountains, scientists who researched the depths of the ocean, pilots who crossed the world, and iconic film characters. It carries the weight of a tradition that combines art, engineering, and passion, offering each owner a piece that can become a family legacy.